Installing a rain drip is a simple yet practical way to keep rainwater away from your doors. Rain drips are only required to be installed on the outer side of a door that is inward opening. For demonstrational purposes only, we are installing the rain drip on the inside of an outward opening door. You will require the following tools: a pen or pencil and paper, a tape measure, a power drill, a hacksaw, a pop rivet gun if using the pop rivets provided, and a file or burr. Measure the width of the door frame, then deduct 10 mm from the measurement. Cut the rain drip using a hacksaw and file the ends to remove any jagged edges. Place the end caps provided on either end. Mark the door through the fixing positions on the rain drip. Use a 5 mm drill bit to drill through the marks. Line up the rain drip and affix using a pop rivet gun. Self-tapping screws or Tech screws can be used if preferred. If your door is highly susceptible to rain, running a small line of silicone between the rain drip and door will ensure that no water will leak through. Check out the full range of our doors, locks and accessories on our website.